You have to keep in mind. 180. 180. 180 is for a triangle, but 180 is also for what? Straight line. Very good. So on the papers that you guys have, and I also have it up on the board, you notice that we're trying to solve for x. And here, what makes it a little different, let's take a look at question number 17. What's different about this one versus the ones that we did yesterday? Go ahead.
Add x plus 47.
You mean x plus 74?
Oh yeah, 74.
That's correct. So, how do you think we can go about solving this? Now, keep in mind, let me hear from somebody else. Keep in mind, we want to be able to use those same principles because, Donald, you said a triangle is how many degrees? 180 degrees. So, what I'm going to do for the first one is I'm going to model this one for you guys. So just follow along on it. And then from there, we have our group set like we have from yesterday. And we're going to see if we can tackle this in your groups. So when I look at question number 17, we see a triangle. We have 55 degrees, 54 degrees, and x plus 74.
Can I make it like...
Hold on 1 second, please.
Never mind.
So if I'm looking at this and I know that my triangle is going to equal 180 degrees, I have 55 for one angle, plus 54,
Plus that's 109.
plus x plus 74. Now, Omari, you said that 55 plus 54 is what? What did you say? 109. So we're going to take these two, make this 109 plus x plus 74 equals 180. Now from here, we always want to be able to combine like terms. So if I want to get this 109 to the other side, I'm going to do a minus 109.
It's going to be...
Cancels out 109. Now we have 180 minus 109, and that's going to give me what? 180 minus 109.
71.
Say it again?
71.
71. So now I have x plus 74 equals 71. Now, what's going to be our next step? Alfred.
Subtract 71.
Alfred, what's going to be our next step?
Subtract 71.
By 180.
Subtract 71.
By 180 and that gives us 109.
Yasir, what's going to be our next step?
Divided by 3.
Yasir, what is our next step? We have x plus 74 equals 71. What's the next step? You not sure? I'm going to come back to you. No, Darius, what's our next step? We have x plus 74 equals 71. What's our next step?
74 minus 71.
74 minus 71. I'm going back to you, Yasir. Do you agree with that? What's that? You don't agree with that? What do you think? I can't hear you.
71 divided by 3.
71 divided by 3? Where's our 3 at?
It's going to be given numbers to be.
Hold on 1 second, please. Where's our 3 at? We have x plus 74 on one side equals 71 on the other side. Remember, we're trying to solve for x, correct?
Yes.
You agree? Class, do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, so the name of the game is we want to get that x by itself. So how are we going to get this x by itself, Yasir? If I have a plus 74 on the side with the x, how do we get it to the other side? Yasir, what's the opposite of a plus 74? I can't hear you, Yasir. Negative. So we're going to do a minus 74.
Negative 35.
71 minus 74 is what?
3. Wait, what? 71 minus 74?
Negative 3.
Negative
Negative 3.
Ooh, stop.
X equals
X equals negative 3. So when we look at this, for the first question, all we're asking for is to solve for x.
So the answer is negative 3.
So the answer is going to be negative 3.
I already know how to do this.
Okay, so let's try this again.
Mister, I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
Put the
How
answer
come,
right
like,
there.
on the notes, you didn't give us, like, well, I don't know how to do it like this.
That's the first one.
Like, with the variable, and then, like, the whole, like, terms thing.
Uh-huh.
And, like, I don't know how to,
Okay, so
like, the notes.
the answer to that is, this is, remember, this is adding another layer onto what we're doing. You know, and you told me based on your notes, and also Donald had mentioned before, triangles how many degrees? 180. So all we're doing, again, we've learned how to isolate that variable. We're just adding that as another layer into what we're doing. That's all. Now, the hope and the expectation is by the time we finish with today's lesson, you guys will be able to see this, do this without a problem.
Okay.
Let's take a look at question number 18. Now, Alfred,